Just press these two together.
So press this in, right? This thing slips out, right? Yep. And then you can just take a new one and replace this part. If this lever breaks, that's how you take out your throttle. And then can you show us how to put it back in?
Okay. Make sure the springs are fitted in the slot.
Okay, so the spring has to catch onto the plastic parts, right? So this plastic catch here, right? And on
Here.
plastic catch. Sorry, this plastic catch on this end. Okay. Right,
Okay.
has to be catch onto the spring. And this part that sticks out goes into the hole here.
Line. Just press it.
Press it in.
Clips.
Clicks. Okay, show them the spring. Okay, there you go.